Do you want to know the secrets of a bountiful harvest? Today, we're peeling back the curtain to reveal the top 7 secrets that can lead you to a garden teeming with abundance. Excited? Curious? Stay tuned as we delve into these secrets one by one. Secret number 1, soil preparation. This is the cornerstone of a lush garden. It's essential to test your soil and enrich it with organic matter. This lays the foundation for strong, healthy plants. So remember, successful gardening starts from the ground up. Moving on to secret number 2, choosing the right plants. It's crucial to pick plants that thrive in your garden's unique mix of climate, soil, and sunlight. This isn't just about aesthetics, it's about compatibility. Choose wisely, and half the work is done. Our third secret? Watering wisely. The key to a thriving garden is understanding the watering needs of your plants. Timing is crucial, with early morning or late evening being ideal. Different plants require different amounts, but remember, when it comes to watering, less is often more. Our last 4 secrets are crop rotation, companion planting, regular pruning, and seasonal care. Crop rotation is the practice of growing different types of crops in the same area over sequential seasons. This helps to balance soil nutrients and reduce the buildup of pests. Companion planting, on the other hand, is about growing plants together that can benefit each other, like marigolds with tomatoes to deter pests. Regular pruning promotes healthy growth by removing dead or overgrown branches. Seasonal care involves adjusting your gardening practices based on the time of year, like mulching in winter to protect roots from frost. By following these secrets, you can unlock the full potential of your garden. So there you have it, the top 7 secrets to a bountiful harvest. From soil preparation to seasonal care, these techniques can revolutionize your garden. Give them a try and watch your harvest flourish. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening!